So the vision is to share the data in an open source manner, but I have to do the research in the background and we'll make the collection. And I also really need to get your input. Things evolve. What's happening now? But we also want to then consult with coaches and create internet, web-based or mobile solutions so that we can have clever forms and we can document the administration of the test sets. But your input first and foremost as to what are your tried and true tested repeatable test sets. What would be valuable for you? We can do it back on paper, but let's sort of take the next step in sharing, but also then in creating the widgets. And I'll help with that. And I'll put some forms up there on the web that you can use freely, and it will send you the results right back to you. So some of these forms are going to be like for production. Some of them are going to be for prototyping and evaluation methods. And we can also then, if we administer a test set to the team, kids can go and record their numbers or maybe record them in their head. And then after practice, they could enter their times and the date, stamp it, and bang, and send it to themselves and send it back to the coaches so that we can then create this archive that the kids are going to own. And they're going to be able to save it on their own spreadsheet as well. So there's a number of different layers and a number of different steps. And we might need to charge some nominal fees. When you sell things on Amazon or you put things out into circulation, they can't always be with no charge. However, we can do different flavors and different versions. If you want to be most up to date and get the early release, you might have to pay a few dollars. But then later, we'll be able to take some of that content and release it into an open source repository, sort of a GitHub, and proceed from there. But I think it would be a way to advance our discussions, be open source friendly, and try to drive some of the ongoing challenges of being a swimming coach or a competitive athlete into a modern setting.